Here we're asked to find the composition of f of g of x with f and g defined up here. We're going to look at that outer function, which is this guy, and replace the x's with a big fat placeholder. So instead of saying 9x to the fourth, we'll say 9 times whatever we're plugging into the fourth. What we're plugging in this case happens to be g of x. So we're going to plug in 2x to the 3 halves. Now we're going back to the standards about exponents. So this 4 will distribute, so we'll have a 2 to the fourth, and then x to the, we'll multiply those powers together, and this 9 just gets carried around like this. Now we'll go ahead and take 2 to the fourth, which is 16, and then 16 times 9, I think is 144, and then we'll multiply these together, getting x to the sixth power. That's going to tell us what f of g of x is. For part B of this problem, we're given the same function, but we're asked to plug in a 1. So basically, we can just take our answer from here, and f of g of 1 is going to be 144 times 1 to the sixth, which ends up being 144. Part C gives us the same functions, but we're going to switch the composition. So now the outer function is g. So instead of, this is what g looks like. Instead of saying 2x to the 3 halves, it's 2 times whatever you're plugging in to the 3 halves. And what we're plugging in this time is f. So now the 9x to the fourth gets to get plugged inside. Just like before, we'll go ahead and take care of this exponent first by distributing it. So the 2 just carries down. We have 9 to the 3 halves, and then x to the 4 times 3 halves. This ends up simplifying. You do this on a calculator, you should get 27 times 2 is 54, and then we get x to the sixth. That's our g of f of x. And then this is saying take that same function but now plug in a 2. So we'll take 54 times 2 to the sixth, and if you do that, you get 3,456 as an answer.